Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got Underwood Model 5 on the bench. Here we go. And we're going to do one thing on this video, is take this ribbon selector arm off right here. Now, most models, there's a little opening here and you can just take this cover off. This cover does not have that opening. You need to remove this ball lever here. The only way to remove that is to come here on the side. Let me show you. Move this thing up. And it's not going to be easy to find on camera here, but we're gonna do it here. Get some light, hopefully, in here. Let's see if I can get this propped up about right. Let me try putting something under here. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay, so let me manipulate some light in here. Okay, so there it is. The bottom of the lever is right there, and I'm not sure if that's showing up on camera. There it is. So you can see the whole lever here, and the bottom there's a little spring steel piece right there you can manipulate with your screwdriver. Do that while you're pulling up on the top here, and it will separate right there. Just separate it. So you've got to get some light. You've got to get this thing up on the side. Then once you got that past, it's like a little latch assembly. This will come right off. So this will come right off. And then you just got to manipulate it out of here. That's another tricky thing. But it will come out of there. You just got to kind of force it. Then when you go to put it back in, all you do is line this thing up where it's in there and then just push down. And it latches in there. So that's it. It's locked in there again. So that's it. A little secret little gizmo down here. We'll release this piece and then you can get this front panel off. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.